ready?
Hear the sound of Arabia from across the kingdom. AlUla FM is making waves from AlUla, now to Riyadh and Jeddah, and coming soon to a city near you. Join our presenters every day for the latest music, special guests, in-depth discussions, news and reviews. Delve deep into captivating stories and intriguing facts about AlUla on our monthly podcast, Artifact. Listen live on 107.2 for AlUla, 89.2 for Riyadh, and 91.6 for Jeddah. Visit us at alulafm.com or follow us on our socials.
AlUla FM.
The sound of Arabia.